Hi there, here I am with another project that I've completed. This one I followed the tutorial from Tammy Morell and it was on Country Craft Creations and it was called Christmas Cookie Recipe Book. I had these old-fashioned 50s type paper that I was saving for something special and I just thought it was a perfect opportunity to use them. I have put the corner protectors on this one because I'm presuming it's going to be used quite often, so and the corners could be damaged easily, so that's what I did. It's got the same pattern on the side and then it's got these lovely lemons on the back. Right, here we go. Isn't that lovely? Quite easily put a photo or your own recipe there or an introduction to what's going on. Each page has got this little, I might stand it up so you can see. I'm hoping you can see. This is like an accordion here. So you can put 3 or 4 different things in. And it's got, in this one, just so you can write your own recipe on, but some of them have actually got recipe cards that I've put in. Each top part has got this in, which I thought would be useful if you've got a favourite recipe. You know, you could edit where it's going to be. So that's in the top. It goes back in the top there. And at the side, you have just a little pull out. And as it's all about recipes, etc. Now let me get it back in there. Putting it in the wrong place. There we go. I haven't really thought about keeping areas to a particular size just for photographs because of course this is recipes and I'm not anticipating many photographs being put in. But of course if you made it something really great, you could photograph it and put it in. So those strawberries are gorgeous. And each page also has this triple pocket. So you can put a fair bit in here. You've got 1, 2, 3 pockets there. A sandwich bag that looks good. And plenty of space for your recipes. I've just popped various things in. Right, now this one here is the recipe card. So, and this, you just fill it in obviously. So I've put those at various places throughout the book. I've got 3 in this section here on this one. When I can open it up, there we go, get in there. And again, we've got these lovely lemons and we've got the raised cupcakes. In here, we've still got the same as this one, and that's on every page, we've got those. And the pull out for this one is this pretty one here, and black so that you can pop what you want on the back. So this one here, I used the dotty papers because I thought why not, and then use those as well. And you've got this one says on it how many it serves, which is great. So that goes into there. You can just buy some index cards and jazz them up and pop them all the way through if you wanted to. You'd get really good value then out of as many spaces as you could fill. The recipe cards are in there and some more cupcakes with cherries. I love the lemon, as you can tell. Oh, let's see what's in the side because I can't remember. There we are, from the kitchen of and a recipe for. I think I might cover the backs actually white and then you can jot down things on it. That might make sense. This one here, again, is a nice little recipe card to fill out. So you get the idea because it's the same all the way through. But this is the accordion. You've got the top like that. And then you've got a nice side piece. So last page has got this, what does it say, recipe for, and then the ingredients and the time and everything, and the back. You see, you could even scan that, couldn't you, if you really liked the way that looked, and you could scan several of them and pop them through. So many possibilities with paper crafting that there's always loads of ideas. And the very last page has got this little folder here so that you could tuck extra cards in, or recipe cards ready to be used, or newspaper cuttings or anything. Until you're ready to put them in the book, then I thought you could just use that as a little space to keep them in. Very pleased with this. I thoroughly enjoyed making it. It was a lovely change. And once again, it's Country Craft Creations Christmas Cookies Recipe Book, and it was Tammy Morale's tutorial. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.